Commander Zan Tor shared a revelation that left his audience in awe at the Interplanetary Exploration Command. The room, filled with officers, scientists, and diplomats, remained in reverent silence as his voice resonated vividly. 800 million years ago, Mars was a vibrant world, began the commander. A civilization of incredible technological advancement flourished there, men and women of science who reached unimaginable heights of wisdom and power. The faces of the audience were marked by disbelief and fascination. However, the story that Zan Tor unfolded blamed a familiar element. Similar to you, the Martians also fell victim to greed and the thirst for supremacy. In a pernicious cycle of civil wars, their differences weakened the planet as the final test approached. Zan Tor recounted that cataclysm with gravity, an ultra-gamma ray, like the one now heading towards Earth, struck Mars. Not to destroy it, but with the potential to transform its existence as long as its entirety vibrated in unison. But, torn apart by internal dissent, Mars could not catalyze the change. It was devastated, becoming the red desert we know now. Yet, before its collapse, Zan Tor rescued in his narration, 13 colonies of Martians managed to flee, placing their fate on the still tender and promising Earth. However, the leaders decided to keep the secret of their origin and what had happened on Mars, hoping to prevent the nascent human lineage from stumbling in the same way. Nevertheless, Zan Tor pointed out with a hint of sadness, although the intentions were good, humans seemed to fall into a familiar pattern. At the pinnacle of great advancements, the same forces of discord overcome the efforts of unity and common purpose. History threatened to repeat itself, and the risk manifested as the arrival of the ultra-gamma ray approached. In his conclusion, Zan Tor urged seeking the guidance of the wise of the multiverse. Omniscient beings who mastered the art of planetary tuning, capable of synchronizing planet Earth with its corresponding vibration, just before the ray arrived with a vengeance. Our destiny is in collective hands, he warned. Only together, uniting in purpose and heart, can we achieve the necessary transformation for Earth not to face the same fate as Mars. This challenge is real, but so is our potential for change. The saga was destined to continue, leaving in suspense the path that the inhabitants of the blue planet would choose in the face of such a crucial crossroads. The legacy of Mars is clear, and the destiny of Earth is still being written, concluded Zan Tor, planting the seeds of a thought that could change the very course of humanity. Meanwhile, something begins to happen to the great monuments.